Have you ever stopped to wonder where gold, that precious metal we all adore, actually comes from? Well, the answer might surprise you. Gold is not native to our Earth, rather it's a cosmic traveler, born in the heart of a supernova. Yes, you heard it right. The gold in your favorite piece of jewelry, or the gold in that treasured family heirloom was created during one of the most violent events in the universe. You see, when a star much larger than our sun exhausts its nuclear fuel, it collapses under its own gravity, and then explodes in a supernova. This explosion is so intense, so hot, that for a brief moment, it creates conditions that allow atoms to smash together and form heavier elements. Among these elements is gold. Now imagine countless of these golden atoms, scattered across the cosmos, drifting in the vastness of space. Over billions of years, some of these atoms find their way to the material that would eventually form our planet. And so gold, this precious metal we treasure so much, comes to Earth. But it doesn't arrive in the form we're familiar with. Instead, these gold atoms are spread out in the Earth's crust. Over time, geological processes concentrate them, forming veins of gold ore. It's from these veins that we extract the gold we use today. Isn't it fascinating? The gold you wear, the gold you see, is not just a metal. It's a piece of the cosmos, a testament to the life and death of stars, a symbol of the incredible journey that matter can take across time and space. So, the next time you look at a piece of gold, remember, its journey began in the heart of a dying star. Now that we know gold is from space, how did it end up beneath the Earth's surface, you might wonder? The answer is both remarkable and fiery. Just like a phoenix, gold had to go through the fire to be reborn on the surface of our planet. Gold originated from the Earth's core, a molten, fiery cauldron of metals and other elements. Over time, the Earth's layers differentiated, with heavier elements sinking towards the core and lighter ones floating to the top. Gold, being a heavy element, was naturally drawn towards the core, but it didn't stay there. The Earth, it seems, had other plans for this precious metal. Over millions of years, our planet's tectonic activity, including volcanic eruptions and movements of the Earth's crust, brought gold up from the depths to the surface. This process, known as magmagenesis, involved molten rocks or magma rising from the Earth's core, carrying with it a variety of minerals, including gold. As the magma cooled and solidified, it formed into what we call igneous rocks. The gold, along with other minerals, crystallized in the veins of these rocks. These veins, often seen as streaks running through the rock, are the deposits of gold we mine today. This process is not a one-off event, but has happened repeatedly over the course of Earth's history. Imagine, if you will, the tremendous heat, the intense pressure, the fiery journey gold had to undertake, from the depths of the Earth's core, through molten magma, to finally settling in veins of rock. Gold's journey is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. And so gold, this precious metal we value so highly, is not just a symbol of wealth and power, it's a testament to the geological history of our planet. It's a story of fire and time, of upheaval and change, of journey and transformation. Isn't it fascinating to think of the fiery journey gold had to undertake to reach us? It's a story that adds another layer of value to this already precious metal. Gold has been a symbol of wealth and power since ancient times, but when did we start mining it? The answer takes us back thousands of years, to the cradle of civilization itself. The ancient Egyptians were among the first to mine gold, as early as 3000 BC. They developed a method known as placer mining, which involved washing gold particles from river sediments. The Egyptians held gold in high esteem, using it to craft intricate jewelry and adorn their pharaohs. From Egypt, the practice of gold mining spread to other civilizations. The Romans, known for their engineering prowess, developed hydraulic mining techniques. They used water to erode gold-bearing soil and then used sluices to capture the precious metal. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and we find gold mining flourishing in different parts of the world. In Africa, the Kingdom of Mali was renowned for its gold resources. Meanwhile, in the New World, the Inca and Aztec civilizations amassed vast amounts of gold, much of which, unfortunately, fell into the hands of conquering Spaniards. The story of gold mining, however, is not complete without mentioning the gold rushes of the 19th century. The discovery of gold in places like California and Australia led to massive migrations of people hoping to strike it rich. These gold rushes transformed societies, turning sleepy towns into bustling cities almost overnight. In the 20th century, gold mining became more industrialized. Companies started to use large-scale techniques like open-pit mining and underground tunneling to extract gold. Today, gold mining is a complex industry that requires high-tech machinery and skilled labor. From the riverbanks of ancient Egypt to the bustling gold rush towns of the 19th century, the pursuit of gold has shaped human history in profound ways. Gold mining has evolved over the centuries, but one thing remains the same: the allure of this precious metal. From pharaohs to prospectors, the allure of gold has remained unchanged. Mining gold isn't as simple as picking nuggets off the riverbed, so how do we extract gold today? In the modern era, gold mining has evolved into a sophisticated process that begins with exploration. Geologists are like detectives, seeking out the hidden clues in the Earth's crust that might lead them to the gold. They use a variety of tools and techniques, such as geological mapping, geochemical analysis, and geophysical surveys, to identify promising areas for gold deposits. Once they've pinpointed a potential gold mine, it's time for the next phase: drilling. Drilling is akin to taking a deep dive into the Earth's secrets. Drill rigs bore into the ground, extracting core samples that provide a snapshot of what lies beneath. These samples are meticulously analyzed in labs to determine the presence and concentration of gold. If the results are promising, the site moves to the extraction phase. Extraction is where the gold is wrested from the Earth's grasp. There are two main methods: open pit and underground mining. Open pit mining involves digging large pits in the ground, while underground mining uses tunnels to reach gold deposits deeper in the earth. Both methods involve blasting and hauling away rock to get to the gold-bearing ore. The extracted ore then undergoes a refining process to separate the gold. This involves crushing the ore into a fine powder, then using chemicals to leach out the gold. The gold is then further refined through smelting and electro-refining. Yet, as we mine gold, we must also consider the environmental impact. Gold mining can result in habitat destruction, water pollution, and the release of harmful chemicals. It's a balancing act between extracting this precious resource and preserving our planet. Modern gold mining is a world away from the days of gold panning and prospecting. It's a complex and high-tech industry that intertwines geology, engineering, chemistry, and environmental science. Gold mining is a complex and impactful process, a far cry from the gold panning of yore. Who controls the world's gold supply? Now that's an intriguing question. Let's delve into the world of gold mining and explore some of the largest gold mines, along with their proprietors. First, we head over to Indonesia, home to the largest gold mine in the world, the Grasberg mine. This colossal mine is owned by the American mining company Freeport-McMoRan. The Grasberg mine isn't just a gold mine, it's also a significant copper deposit. Its contribution to the global gold market is immense, with production reaching millions of ounces annually. Next, we travel to South Africa, to the Witwatersrand Basin. This historically rich mine has been the source of almost half of all the gold ever mined on Earth. The basin is currently owned by several mining companies, including Anglo Gold Ashanti and Gold Fields. These mines, despite their age, continue to play a significant role in the global gold market. Now let's jet off to the United States, to the state of Nevada, where we find the Carlin Trend. This is one of the most productive gold mining areas in the world. The Carlin Trend is primarily owned by Nevada Gold Mines, a joint venture between Barrick Gold and Newmont Gold Corp. These companies extract millions of ounces of gold each year, contributing significantly to the world's gold supply. Finally, we land in Australia at the Boddington Mine, owned by Newmont Gold Corp. This is the largest gold mine down under, and it boasts considerable gold reserves. The Boddington Mine plays a significant role in the global gold market, greatly influencing Australia's position as one of the world's top gold producers. The world's gold is distributed far and wide, with each mine playing its part in the global market. These mines, their owners, and the diligent workers who extract the precious metal are the heartbeat of the global gold industry. The next time you admire a gold object, remember, it's not just a valuable metal, but a symbol of human endeavor and a testament to the intriguing journey of gold from the heart of the universe to our hands.